Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Chevrolet has announced that the 6th generation Camaro will be retired after the 2024 model year, and the final version of the current car will roll off the factory line in January 2024. However, Chevrolet has confirmed that this is not the end of the Camaro's story, and they will offer a collector's edition package in honor of the car's legacy. The package will feature nods to the Camaro's long history, and more details about the model will be revealed this summer. The collector's edition's nameplate will feature an image of a prowling panther located in the R, which is a nod to the Camaro's original development code name, Panther. The image also shows a big rear wing and a ZL1 in the hood scoop, suggesting that the collector's edition will be a powerful performer. The Camaro has consistently provided customers with top-notch performance, and the 6th generation Camaro has competed in a number of racing series. Chevrolet plans to continue racing in these series and is working with sanctioning bodies to ensure that it can keep competing. While Chevrolet has not announced an immediate successor for the Camaro, they have confirmed that this is not the final chapter for the Camaro nameplate. There are rumors that Chevrolet plans to turn the Camaro into an electric vehicle using its Ultium platform, which could make the retirement of the 6th generation Camaro even more significant than just the end of a generation. Chevrolet's global vice president, Scott Bell, expressed his gratitude to every Camaro customer, assembly line employee, and race fan, and said, "This is not the end of Camaro's story. Thank you for watching."